We built a little pool house over here, and we wanted to have a little covered area where we could just hang out, put a couch, couple chairs underneath. And I have a good friend that's a builder, and he's used Skyview before a number of times, and he said it's a great product, so I trusted him. We went with it, and I think it turned out great. Anytime it rains, it's got a little sensor on it, which is really cool. It closes automatically, so yeah, so far we've been really happy with it. Everyone that comes over comments on it. I mean, I know there's a lot of pergolas out there. You can buy them for pretty cheap online, but we wanted something quality that we're gonna have for as long as we live here, that's gonna hold up. It's very well built. It's gonna last forever, and we love it. I highly recommend Skyview to anyone that's looking for a well-built, solid pergola that's gonna last them forever. And they got a ton of cool products, and yeah, we couldn't be happier. I love our Skyview.